Hi everybody, I'm Margaret Oldham. I'm Director of Entrepreneurship. Raised on a dairy farm, grew a lot of Milo myself when we were doing that for our dairy cows. So nice to be out in this field today. I'm super excited to be here to see some of the companies that we've worked with through our accelerator program. We have a great entry point for companies that have innovations for farmers to come into the Ag Launch 365 program, get a start with a lot of coaching around business development, around understanding the farm and farmers, and then also developing the on-farm trials. When a company comes through Ag Launch 365, they come out on the other end with a planned approach for up to 3 years to trial their trial their technology on the farm, getting a lot of farmer help and farmer input. The farmers really act as mentors to these startups to help them fine-tune their product. The goal of that is it's twofold really. It's to make sure that when the product comes to market for the broader group of farmers, that it's ready, that it's been farmer tested and approved, farmer input driven into it. And then secondly, it's to start building advocates. So these farmers that are trialing this product have a vested interest in terms of like how this product works, and they're really ready and willing to tell others about that. So it's a really great win-win approach for the farmer and for the startup. We have 5 teams this year that have come through. We're going to see many of them today. Spornado was one. We're going to see a few others down the line here. And they all are farmers in terms of the Ag Launch Farmer Network LLC have an ownership position in those companies. So that's pretty exciting. It's the only model like that in the country that we're aware of, where farmers actually own a piece of the innovation that they're helping produce. As we move forward, we're just launching Ag Launch 365 Row Crop Challenge. That's the entry point for teams or startups to come into the Ag Launch system. We're super excited about some of the things we're seeing and looking forward to selecting the teams that will be a part of that system this fall. And as we go into December, we'll narrow down from 10 teams to 5 or 6, and those teams will then be the ones that actually get matched up with farmers. Paul kind of runs a matching service, if you will, and finds the right fit for the startup and the farmer so that it's a great relationship. And again, the innovation is accelerated getting to the market and ready for farmers to really start using sooner than if the farmer were not engaged.